Okay, hi. I'm Abel Gonzales. I teach English 2 here at H.M. King High School in Kingsville, Texas. For my unit lesson project for my for Dr. Desidario's class, I will be having covering a three or 2.5 week project for project-based learning (PBL). What the project is that it requires my students to choose a character of historical significance or literary significance, whether it be an author or a fictional character. So someone of some positive merit that's impacted the world, or any different kind of medium of literature, whether it be novels, magazines, comic books, anime is also mentioned on there, screenplays. With these, what the point is it's to have these students research these characters and kind of put themselves in their shoes. Again, the project lasts for about 2.5 weeks. Students will be provided with laptops and different resources that they're going to be able to use in order to answer as many questions as they can about their character and learn as much as they possibly can. Eventually, what we're going to have as the end goal is to have a Socratic seminar in the classroom where the students are required to answer a series of questions from the perspective of their chosen character. So here I have a PBL research-based questions sheet. It has 13 questions on here. Out of the 13 questions, the students are required to answer a total of 5. Plus, every class is going to choose 2 additional questions specifically for their own class. So they're going to have to answer questions 1, 2, 11, 12, and 13. For example, some of the questions are, would your character be liberal or conservative based on their background? Explain utilizing your character's background in politics, reputation, or personal philosophy. Another example would be, would your character be for or against war? Would there have to be certain exceptions in this case, depending on what their answer would be? So if a student has Dr. Martin Luther King, okay, they would have to research the character's background, all his history, and try to answer these questions as thoroughly as they possibly can from the perspective of Martin Luther King. So with that being said, there's also a rubric here where it gives everything laid out for the students that they're going to have to do within this 2.5 week span of the project. The goal here is to have students understand how research is conducted, how sources are cited and created, and will eventually put all this together in order to make a whole collaborative piece of different things that they've learned throughout the year. So that's the project-based learning project.